Hello everyone, back for another video from Carecraft server. Found some unfinished bits and bobs while I was not recording, and now I'm fine. It's glitching me out. Am I still? Yeah, I'm still on normal. Hang on, I'm gonna try and make this run a little bit more smoothly. I am talking an awful lot faster than my smooth lighting off, graphics fast, stereo textures on, advanced locals decreased minimal. Okay, that should make it run just a little bit quicker. Yeah, it is. That's really a lot better. Well, yeah. So the spawn is in this lump of redstone. Here. Just for future reference, that's the server owners. So he's gonna have to say hi to YouTube. Kale, say hi to YouTube, Kale. Sorry. There's a prison in there, I think. Just in there. So the way you get to, this is where you'll spawn. You will spawn here, in this block right here. And the way you get to the city that I showed you in the last video is, see where it says old spawn? You come out this way, towards the Triforce. I didn't do that. And you gotta jump. Oh, yep, there you go. Using the portal plugin. And when you use bucket, but as I did not say in the last video, warning, the server does not run 1.7. You'll have to go into 1.6.4 in order to be able to play on it. Which is not hard with the new launcher. It's much easier than it would have been not very long ago. Which is good, because I really enjoy that. Because, well, we've got all kinds of awesome stuff, and now that I fixed the issues and I've made it a little easier. Oh, by the way, Carter Trusty's game just keeps stopping. Or crashing, rather. Oh, little Easter egg I found on the server while exploring. Right next to my house is down here. Where is it? Oh yeah, underwater fire. Underwater fire. Right next to my gigantic house, which I can only get into due to a security system. Oh, so that's another friend of ours, and he's saying hi YouTube. So yeah. Also, please subscribe to my channel. It's called CLG. Also, please like and subscribe. This helps us a lot. I'm going to try and get out using my super sophisticated security system. Let me show you why it won't work if you try and go into the front door. The front door is basically just, so as you can see, it teleports me. What happens when I try and go in? Don't lie to me now. Ah! See, you can't get into my house. It's a foolproof security system, which is nice because I am a total fool. But yeah, I've tried to bring down the textures and stuff, make it run a little better. Sorry about no title in the last video. It brings up the media size by a lot, making it a much bigger headache to fix. But yeah, you have to run 1.6 in order to run this. I'll say that in the description and put it in the description of the last video. So yeah, but the server IP is in the last video. Is on the last video, and I'll put it in again on this video. So yeah. By the way, this is with diamonds. I'm getting pretty close to running equal capacity here. Cinema. I'm going to show you this before I have to log off. Show you about the short-ish videos using QuickTime Player as a recorder is a little bit. As the into here. I can go into the movie theater. Oh great, Carol directly disobeyed my instructions and didn't turn the lights on. I created a system where you can turn on the lights and project the room. Nope, you didn't. Voila. No, there are some two these things in there, and then I've got some other pieces of tech back there. Lots of, but yeah, that's that bit. So I'll see you guys next time.